Jason, it's your turn to wash the dishes.
Wash dishes? I just stuffed myself. I'm about to die here.
You're not dying. Get up. Washing will help your belly digest.
I can't. My arms are too weak. If I touch cold water, my bones will snap.
Jason, stop the act. It only takes 15 minutes.
This is child labor. You're destroying my childhood.
Watch your mouth. This is responsibility.
Fine. I'll sue my own parents.
Jason, Hippo's gonna sue his parents.
What? For what reason?
Because they told him to wash dishes.
What if he actually does it?
Laugh all you want. The court will side with me.
Silence in my courtroom.
My parents forced me to wash dishes. A crime against all teenagers.
That's not a crime. That's responsibility.
Every family shares the chores.
This is juicier than a TV drama.
This court will show you what justice means.
I want freedom.
Not punishment. It's your duty.
I am not a dishwasher machine.
It only takes a few minutes. Then you can play.
5 minutes. So dramatic.
Dishwashing is normal, not a crime. Jason Hippo sentenced to 1 day in jail to reflect.
What? Jail? Just for dishes? This isn't fair. I'm innocent. I just hate dishwashing. I'd rather wash 100 dishes than rot in here.
He's locked up for refusing to wash dishes. Newbies do the dirty work. That means you.
I'd rather do dishes. Why a toilet? I swear, from now on, I'll wash dishes without a fight.